Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to refund Southwest Airlines plane ticket in 2024. Whether your travel plans have changed or you need to cancel your flight, knowing how to get a refund from Southwest Airline is very essential and crucial. So in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to request a refund for Southwest Airline plane ticket. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. Before requesting a refund, it's important to understand Southwest Airline refund policy. Southwest offers different options based on the ticket type and fare rules. Fully refundable fares like Anytime and Business Selects can be refunded, while Wanna Getaway fares can only be converted into travel funds or future use. So visit the Southwest airline websites or check your booking information for specific details. So for me, I'll just go in here and open the browser. I'm using Brave for you can use this if you want. Go to the URL section. Basically, you can type Southwest Airlines, simple as that. So airlines and hit the enter button. Of course, you would like to add like a refund. So we need refund policy. We need to open that and refund example tickets if they have like a request for it right away. Yeah, write that. And yeah, so let's just go and first of all read the policy of the refund. So fare information or fare options. Southwest offers 4 fare business selects. Anytime, wanna business selects of course, anytime, wanna get away and wanna get away. As well as few unique fares like military fares. And of course, optional services. You can book most of these fares and services online, but a few services require you to call our customer representatives and or purchase an airport. Fares may vary based on destination, flight, day and time of travel, demand, fare type selected, and other factors. If you change any of these factors, lower fares may be available. Fares may be, of course, available for a limited time or limited numbers of seats. Fares also are subject to change until tickets are purchased. Reservation must be made at least 1 hour prior to departure, of course, for domestic flights and 2 hours for international flights. When combining fares, all rules and restrictions apply. So this is for fare options. Of course, important information is about reservation changes and cancellations. As you can see, a lot of things to read. Of course, like first of all, if you just wanna like get your refund, if you sure your tickets is order like refundable, you can simply just go to southwest.com, click on login to log in into your account. Log in into your account. Of course, you can create even your account if you don't have one. But normally, if you trying to get a refund, you probably have an account. So just go and log in into it. Once you do so, go to your trips or go to your reservation, click on it and cancel that trip. Then you will find a request a refund option. Click on it and you'll be able to fill up a form to request a refund. You'll have to wait for 7 business days until they respond to you and get your money back into your source of payment. And if you pay like through maybe cash or something like that, it may take like up to 20 days. So keep that in mind. So this is if you order like know your tickets and etc. For others, of course, we would like to go and read all of that, like important information as an example, first of all, about reservation changes and cancellation. And even as an example, if you like buy a ticket as a guest, you didn't create an account, you will need, of course, to go and try to identify first of all your ticket as an example. So if you can go here to change then cancel, enter your informations here of the ticket like confirmation number, first name and last name, and you can simply choose cancel flights instead of change flight. Then click on search and you'll be able to cancel it, then ask for a refund, as I said, if you are as a guest. But if you don't know if you're eligible for the refund or not, you will have to read this. So, as example, important information about reservation changes and cancellation. We know sometimes plans change. If you aren't planning to travel on any portion of your itinerary, of course, you have few options. Change your reservation as far advanced as possible, or cancel your reservation at least 10 minutes prior to the scheduled departure time. So for this one, there's no fee to change your flights, but a difference in fares may apply if you're like changing it to another one. For cancel, if you don't cancel your reservation at least 10 minutes before the flight's original scheduled departure time, the value of business selected or anytime tickets will be refunded in the form of transferable flights credit. Wanna getaway or wanna getaway plus funds will be forfeited for wanna getaway or wanna getaway plus reward travel reservation booked with points. And if you do not cancel your reservation at least 10 minutes before the flight's original scheduled departure time, of course, any points used for booking will be forfeited, along with any taxes and fees associated with your reward travel reservation. For anytime or business selects reward travel reservation, the points used for booking will be redeposited, of course, to the purchaser rapid rewards account. And any taxes and fees associated with the rewards travel reservation will be converted into transferable flight credits for future use. You can, of course, keep your confirmation number. If the event you cancel the reservation, or if the yeah, in the event you cancel a reservation, please make note of the communication number. Customers calling to request a refund or inquiries about funds for specific tickets must provide their confirmation number, ticket number, or flight information like date, origin, destination, etc. Refunds for reservation canceled within 24 hours of booking. If you just book your tickets within 24 hours, if you cancel an unchanged reservation within 24 hours of booking, you can choose either to receive a method of payments refund regardless of the fare, hold the value of the tickets as flight credits, or transferable flight credits depending on the fare to buy future flights, as an example. As you can see, all South like West First comes with two bags, no change fees, and 100 free in-flight entertainment. So yeah, that's what you would like to know if you're eligible or not. And you have four options. And so, or actually three options. Like for cancel within 24 hours, you'll get everything back. Change your reservation, example, or cancel. You'll have to cancel at least 10 minutes before. We read all of that. And if you cancel, keep your confirmation number, which is important. Other information is here if you want to read it out. Be my guest. Make sure to read it by your own. And yeah, basically that's gonna be it. So here you can read more information about this. Of course, you can click on cancel your flight. You'll basically have to fill up your flight information, click on continue, and fill up the form to cancel it, and you should be good to go. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.